We're going to go to campaigns. We're going to show how to do a social post, okay, and set the social post up in advance. So you go to social post right here in campaigns. It switches from the team to Norma. Um, we already have some scheduled, so we did not. Facebook says Monday, Wednesday, Friday in the morning are the best times. So I've scheduled quite a few, but the Friday, December 11th has not been scheduled. So you can create a social post and you can go into designs and get it, or you can do it the easy way and they give you a bunch. And so I go over here. Oh, that looks cute. Okay, that's going to be my post. And then that's that. This is what it's going to say. Uh, this is your preview. Okay, and then you can't scroll down and see the rest of it, but you get the point. Um, DBA logos there. I want it. It'll probably look better on the right. It'll show up more. Um, put your ownership statement in there, so it runs along the bottom. Hardly see it, but it's there. Um, and then if you want to preview the post again. Oh, nice. Okay, so schedule post. Schedule post. Oh gosh darn it! It's going to schedule it for today. My bad. Um, the last thing you do. Now I got two posts scheduled for today. That was not smart. Okay, so the last thing you do is you go down. Okay, I'm going to use that one for Friday then. Um, sometimes that just happens right there. Okay, none of that stuff's in there. So the last thing you do is actually put the actual date, which is Friday the 11th, was the one I didn't have scheduled. So schedule it, boom, you're done. So I got two posting today at 10 o'clock. And what I do is once they post, I go over and I share that on my personal page. It's on the business page, and Norma shares it on her personal page too, so our friends see it. And then we're set. We're set for the month. We got all our posts scheduled for most of the month. I've cut short on Christmas because I'm going to do a couple just around Christmas time. But we're pretty much ready for the whole month. So anyway, that's it. It's that hard, folks.